Now we're ready. Okay.
My name is Victoria O'Connor, and I'm speaking about my multi-axis puzzle box that I constructed for my master's thesis on comparative cognition in snow leopards and lions. So this is from the inside of the box. I have a GoPro inside the box, and there are 3 doors: a push-in door, a pull rope door, and a pull-down door. We have in the middle of the box our meet reward, and as the box is being set up, we are in the middle of testing right now, and you will see in a second that our male lion at Turtleback Zoo, DeMarcus, is actually able to open the box using his paw, and he'll get into the box and get his food reward. So it took DeMarcus about 2 minutes to solve the puzzle box, even though I only showed you a short clip. And that's actually a very short amount of time for one of our cats to solve a box. They have up to 15 minutes. And that's